They say breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Well, if that's true, you better make it a good one. And I believe if you make this delicious crispy chicken sandwich with all this cheese and egg and bacon on Texas toast, you did just that. You made it a good one. And that's one of the great things about making breakfast on the Blackstone Griddle is you can meal prep. You can make a lot of these sandwiches up ahead of time, make a bunch of them up for the family or for one time. It don't matter how you make these up or why you make these up. Just make these up. And so now would be a great time to go on and fire up that Blackstone and get that thing heating up, because there ain't a whole lot of prep to making this sandwich. So let's go ahead and get that thing ready while that griddle heats up. All right, so the very first thing we're going to do to make a crispy, crunchy chicken, we're going to bread it. Well, to bread it, we need egg wash. So I'm going to crack open 3 eggs right here into this bowl. Then we are going to add some seasoning. Now, I'm going to use this lumberjack seasoning. Use salt, pepper, whatever you want, but I love this lumberjack for breakfast, on any kind of breakfast food. And I think adding it in on that breading will really, really, really make it better. Speaking of which, I think before I go ahead and get my fork dirty, I'm going to add some of this flour also. That way this chicken is going to be well seasoned. So let's go ahead and just mix this into our flour. Then we will come over here and mix it into the egg. There you go. Let's get this chicken ready. As far as this chicken goes, we are going to use 1 large chicken breast right here, but I'm making 2 sandwiches. So what we're going to do is try to move this out of the way so I don't knock it off the table, is just come in here and just slice this chicken breast in half, like so. Don't have to be perfect, just has to be in half. So now that we have that in half, let's grab up our bowl here of egg wash and flour and panko breadcrumbs. And by the way, these are just plain panko breadcrumbs, not the Italian, not seasoned, nothing to them. So we will coat our chicken in our flour over here, just all-purpose flour. Then give it a bath in our egg wash that we just seasoned up. And then come over here to our panko and give it a good, crispy, crunchy coating. Now, I like to try to make sure it gets down on little nooks and crannies and just all in that chicken. And there you go. That piece is done. Just that simple. We'll do this other piece and we'll go check on that griddle. And there it is, y'all. Just that simple. So now we got them breaded up. Let's go check on that griddle. Come on. Well, I'm seeing that white smoke. You know what that means? It's time to put some groceries down on this griddle. Start off with this bacon. Oh yeah, sizzle, sizzle. Love it. Now that's how you start your day right there, bacon on the Blackstone. This really needs to be a sound right here. You can just say, hey, play bacon on the Blackstone, and this is what you hear. Now tell me that wouldn't be relaxing. I had a comment in a recent video asking me to maybe start saying or sharing what temps I'm cooking at. I'm going to share the temp. It's hard to say where to set your Blackstone at because each model is actually different. I can set this one on low and this one cooks around 350 to 400. My pellet grill combo over there on high will cook about 450. So it just depends on what model you have. Best thing to do is go out and get you one of these guns here or Blackstone actually sells an infrared thermometer and a temperature probe right here. So you can use either one. Batteries are dead in this one right now. So I'm going to use this one I actually picked up from Harbor Freight. But right now I'm reading right around this bacon. That's 438, 400, around 370, 400. Yeah, so right around the 400 mark is where I'm cooking right now. And just like that, it's time to flip this bacon. Now, I ask it a lot, and I'm going to ask it again. Are you a crispy or a flimsy type of bacon person? or it doesn't even matter. As long as you get bacon, you're happy. That's kind of where I'm at. As long as it ain't falling apart like the ashes, I'm happy with this is bacon. And just like that, this bacon is close to being done. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it and slide it all the way over here against the edge. We're kind of finished cooking, a little more, but stay warm. That's kind of where we want it right there. Now, we need to turn around here, grab up our chicken, and get it to frying in that bacon grease. And that's why we did the bacon first. So we'd have something really good to cook that chicken in. So now that these chicken breasts have been going for, I don't know, 3 or 4 minutes now, just come in here and just give them a flip. Look at that beautiful, beautiful crust on this chicken right here, y'all. You know that's gonna be good. Give y'all a really close-up view of how beautiful, beautiful this chicken right here is turning out. Now, just so y'all know, I did come over here and turn this far burner off where the bacon's at, because if you notice, the bacon's getting pretty done over here now. So now we're to the point, see there, it's not really flimsy, it's not really crispy. It's right there where I want it. That's where I want my bacon. So I cut that burner off to kind of just keep it warm over there. But right now, look at that chicken, y'all. We're gonna flip it again. That's the kind of key to shallow frying, and if you need to, you can always grab up more oil and put around here, see? And just keep it frying. So every now and then, every few minutes, just come in here and just flip this chicken around. We're trying to get to an internal temp of 165, so just keep it flipped around every few minutes so don't burn on one side. Well, I went and got me some batteries for the temperature probe here. Let's see what we're reading. Just, I know they're not done yet, but we'll get an idea here. 140, 125. Yeah, it's getting close. And I just temped that chicken, and well, it's right there at it. It's right there being done. So let's slide it on over here with the bacon. Now, we need to toast some bread. We need to toast bread. Go get you some butter. Some butter. I'm gonna add some butter right down here along this edge. Spreading butter can be difficult sometimes, but we get it done. So anyhow, we're gonna spread that butter out right there. All through here. Then, grab up 4 pieces of Texas toast. Get them in this butter. Get one side toasted up, and then we're gonna flip them and cook some eggs. Y'all, I almost forgot the cheese. We gotta put cheese over here on this chicken, because we gotta have cheesy, crispy chicken. I almost forgot. We'll put it over there and kind of let that cheese melt down while this bread toasts up. So I think we're gonna help that cheese out a little bit. We're gonna slide our toast down right here. We're gonna bring our chicken back over just a little bit. And let's see, let's kind of get them together here. Like this, make them friends, dome them up. Now, to really help that cheese out, spray a little water under there. That steam will do its magic and melt that cheese on down. It's only been about 30 seconds. Let's pop the top and see what we got. Now that is what I'm talking about right there. Look how cheesy that has become. Oh yeah. And that's how you want it. So let's slide these back over here. Let's check our toast. We need to kind of spin that around a little bit, don't you think? Yeah, getting there. Let's move more toward the center. Get them a little toastier. Get them going a little quicker. All right, let's check on this toast here. See what we got. Oh, that's looking good there. Liking that. Liking that a lot. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring this back down a little bit, and we're gonna add some more butter on here. This time I'm gonna do it like this. Just like that right there. Now, let's lay this in that butter. Here we go. Now, we got the other side toasting. Y'all, we need these eggs. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna crack one egg right back here where that bacon grease and that chicken was cooking at. I'm gonna put the other one right there. Now, I am gonna bust these yolks, because people around here don't really care for runny yolk. Now, we gotta season them eggs. I got some Hatch chili. Yeah, Hatch chili and cheddar. I love this stuff. Love it. A little windy out here too, but that's okay. There we go. So now, these things are about ready, y'all. Almost ready. So y'all tell me, did I do the wrong thing by busting that yolk, or would you rather have them like this? All right, I'm going to go ahead and give these eggs a flip. Put them back here. Bring this toast up just a little bit, get it going. I wish you could smell the smells out here with that Hatch chili, this lumberjack seasoning, all this, just the bacon, everything going on. Smell like it's going to be a great day out here is what it smells like. I say we grab us a plate, take everything up, take it over there and build them. Let's grab these eggs up. Grab up our cheesy chicken. Grab up our crispy bacon. Got a piece that kind of fell apart back there. That's okay though. That's okay. And let's see if we can't stack this toast up and take it over there. Oh yeah, I got this. Come on y'all, let's go over here and build these things. And just like that, I mean, you serve that to me on a plate, I wouldn't be mad about it, but we got to put it on this toast, y'all. And speaking of this toast, see, for the most part, it all turned out pretty good, I think. Each side's about done. I like mine a little toastier than others, and I have to have Duke's mayonnaise on mine. Like Hussey says, state law. He might be in North Carolina, I'm in South Carolina, but either way, state law in the Carolinas. So I'm going to put some Duke's on mine. That's right, a good bit. Because I love mayo on a breakfast sandwich. I mean, is it really a breakfast sandwich if it don't have mayo? Nah, it's just a sandwich. Now that we have that done, let's grab up a piece of chicken, lay on each one over here, like that. Oh yeah, this is going to be good. Let's see here. Lay an egg on each one. Then our bacon, we can just break in half and kind of put like that. Cross hatch it, if you will. There we go. It's only one more thing to do, y'all, and that's top it off. Ooh, 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 ooh. Now that's how you do a breakfast sandwich right there. Y'all check these out. Look at these monster breakfast sandwiches we just made. Maybe that's what I need to call these things. Monster crispy chicken breakfast sandwiches. Whatever you call them, man, you just check it out. That crispy bacon, fried egg, cheesy crispy chicken on this beautiful Texas toast. Oh yeah, this is the way you do a breakfast sandwich. So what'd you think about them sandwiches? I'll slide that one over the side because this one here is mine. But I am going to cut mine in half. At least try to anyhow. That's a big sandwich, y'all. Give y'all a look at this cross-cut section of this sandwich. Y'all ready for this? Look at that. That is a breakfast sandwich right there. Y'all, I got to try it. I got to do my job and try it. Wow. Yes, sir. That's delicious. Bacon. That crispy chicken is perfect with that lumberjack. The Hatch chili cheddar on them eggs. Exactly what this sandwich is needing. Y'all, make this. Make it now. Stop what you're doing. Well, wait till the video's over, then go make it. If your wife tells you, hey, we need to go clean out the garage, so nope, I'm going to cook this sandwich Crazy Pop just told me to cook. But I need to take this inside. This other one's waiting to be eaten by the kids inside. Well, a kid. I hope you enjoyed the video. While you're at it, go ahead and check us out on all our social media platforms. We're on Facebook, we're on Instagram, we're on Pinterest, we're on Twitter, we're on YouTube. We're everywhere. Threads, everything. Check us out. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, share it out. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down twice. I really appreciate that, and we'll see you next time.